framer animation. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser and search for 𝗕𝗲𝗂𝗀𝗀𝗀 in the search bar. Once the website loads, log into your account. If you do not have an account, you need to create one first. After reaching the homepage, go to the top right corner and click the New Project button. When your new project is ready, start by creating a new frame and placing a rectangle inside it. Next, select both the frame and the rectangle, right-click on them, and choose the Create Component option to begin the animation process. Start by creating a new variant and adjust the rectangle inside it to look different from the original. Once that is done, click the first variant and drag the connection line toward the second variant. When the drop-down menu appears, select the Appear option and adjust its delay setting. Continue this process by connecting all of your variants in the same way and applying the same settings to each transition. Once all the variants are connected and the settings are applied, click the Preview option at the top of the page to see the animation you have created.